brothers and sisters. Today we celebrate the solemnity of Saint Peter and Saint Paul, two of the great apostles of the Lord, courageous and most faithful servants of God, who have dedicated their whole lives to the glory of God, fulfilling the calling and mission which the Lord had entrusted to both of them, as most important pillar, support, and foundation of the whole church in this world. Saint Peter and Saint Paul are honored together as the apostles of Rome, the heart center of all Christendom, the seat of the Pope, and the vicar of Christ, and successor of Saint Peter as the leader of the entire universal church and all of the faithful. In our Eucharistic celebration, may God be with us always and empower us all to follow in the footsteps of the faithful apostles at all times and in all opportunities we have in life. We also continue to pray for peace throughout the world. Let us all stand for the entrance song.